It's another exciting day with another fresh pair of Thursday boots. This is my second pair of Thursday boots. I actually did an unboxing as well on the first pair, so you can definitely check that one out as well. This time was a little different. I was actually able to take advantage of the first sale that I'd ever seen Thursday have. One of the cool aspects of the sale is that they were donating a portion of each purchase to coronavirus relief. As you can see here, the second pair that I decided to go with is the Captain. I went with the burnt copper color, which is also part of their rugged and resilient collection. This favors a more worn and rugged look rather than a glossy finish. The Captain is one of Thursday's staples, featuring the cap toe design. The first pair that I purchased were the Diplomats. There's a few things similar and a few things different between the Captain and the Diplomat. Similar to the Diplomats, this of course features the Goodyear welt construction. This serves as a type of a stitched bridge between the outsole and the insole, ensuring the higher quality and longevity of the boot, and allows it later, if needed, to be completely resoled. Differently, however, the Captain actually features a steel shank placed between the insole and the outsole. The midsole on the Captain features cork, which will form to the person's foot over time, and the outsole has a durable studded rubber. Just as you would expect, they have the same Kevlar blended laces, reinforced eyelets, speed hooks. They look great, feel great, smell great, and as it's just been getting cold these last few days here in Utah, I can't wait for this winter to come to be able to wear in both the Diplomats and the Captains. If you want to see why I think Thursday Boot Company is definitely one of the best values for the price, be sure to check out that last video on the Diplomat boots as I go into it in a little more detail. Have a good one.